Let's start. A new algorithm we are going to discuss today. The algorithm name is called as any idea? Yeah, decision tree. First of all, this is belongs to classification. Good. What is the previous topic? What we done yesterday, sir? Multi-class classification. And handwritten digits, what we done yesterday. The current topic is a decision tree. Keep in mind that. Gradient descent. It's okay. Running topic, upcoming topic. Let us start. Small kind note actually. Kind note. For more examples, try to search in two websites actually. The first one is, tell me, sir. First one is Kaggle website, Kaggle, and the second one is Medium. This one also really good. The Medium website actually. Can you please walk through for more examples? Irrespective of, hey Daniel, I understand linear regression very well. I understand linear regression very well. Can I do more practice on the linear regression? Simple, sir. What you need to do, open this one. There are two types of search actually, but searching here is the efficient way, but searching here is the basic way actually. And here the first one is linear regression. You can just try to search for that one. On an average, how many examples? 49,000. These are all related examples actually. You guys need to walk through, right? But this is not the efficient way to search this one. But what is the best way, Click on code. Click on what exactly? Code means here you can find out all examples actually, which is related to the domain wise also. And here, don't search here. Here you need to search. That too, how you need to search, Python, Python related examples only. Now linear regression. And here instead of hotness, what we need to select? Tell me, sir. Most votes. Then from this one, the top 10, if you do the top 10, it takes some time for your better understanding. And if you do that one, seriously amazing, sir. These are all real-time examples. I'm not sure either you're trusting or not actually. You're trusting, right? Sir, important. You have to do, try at least one or two examples you have to try to solve. This is the best way. There is no other way. If you are looking for the more and more real-time examples, Kaggle is the best actually. Kaggle is the best. Even in my current project, if you are facing any issue, we'll stop the project actually. We will come to Kaggle. We will look for the specific scenario. I'm very good in searching techniques. Like based on my scenario, I will search in a Kaggle actually. I will grab the example. First, I will work with Kaggle example. Then I will deliver the demo to my manager actually. Then manager will tell, go for implementer. Then that code I can integrate into our project actually, right? So please, you have to please focus on that one. Even if any website, any institute is telling, we'll provide real-time project, trust me, they will provide from the Kaggle. They will provide from where exactly? Kaggle actually. Yeah, good. Now you can just try to come here, machine learning, click on decision tree. This example, bit important, sir, please focus. What is the topic name? Tell me. Decision tree. Good. Now let's just try to click on this one. We can draw a separation line by using regression algorithm. Let us take this data. First of all, This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Assuming that we plotted the data. We plotted what exactly? Data. That too, the data is scattered randomly. The data is scattered what exactly, sir? Randomly. But still what we can do, we can draw a line. We can draw what exactly? Line actually. But let me tell you, if the data set is like a below example, now look at this one. One data point is here, one data point is here, one data point is here. Frankly speaking, this is the randomly scattered. What is this one, sir? Randomly scattered actually. I mean to say that there is no guarantee. If you're asking a question, hello Daniel, can you tell me where is the next data point we are going to get according to this one? No guarantee, sir. Let me tell you. If the data set is traveling like this, I mean to say that let us take a y-axis and x-axis. And if I say first data point is here, second data point is here, third one is here actually, fourth one is here. Now tell me where is the next one? Can you tell me where is the next one? I can still tell, the data is traveling towards to downward direction to what direction, sir? Upward direction. I can give a guarantee the data point is here actually. The data point is here, but not here. I can give that guarantee. Am I right? But look at this data. First of all, it might happen the data can be scattered like this. The data can be scattered what exactly, sir? Like this actually. In this scenario, what you can do, you can divide the data. You can group the data. You can, what we need to do, sir? Group the data. I will tell you how to group by data actually. Now look at the diagram. Just a diagrammatic explanation, practical we will see. I would like to say this is the group number 1, group number 2, group number 3, and I would like to say this is the other groups actually. This is what exactly? Other groups. Team, are you with me? Good. I mean to say that, if it is a linear regression, in linear regression, what exactly happened? We are writing a straight line. We are drawing a straight line. We are drawing what exactly? Straight line. But unfortunately, sometimes when you scatter the data, when we scatter the data on x-axis and y-axis, if the data looks like this, the data, what exactly, sir, looks like this. Online team, I hope you're following. I no need to disturb you. Let's move on. Then we can divide the data like this actually. We can divide the data like this. Talk with me. What is algorithm name, everyone? One more time. Important, right? After decision tree, immediately any trainer will discuss one more algorithm. That algorithm name is called as a random forest. What is that algorithm? Random forest actually. If you understand decision tree, then only random forest you will understand. But I'm sure you will understand everything actually. Okay, good. Now decision tree is a supervised learning technique. Understand the terminology. Any algorithm, first understand the terminology. Best example, if somebody is telling you about, sir, in this world, there are more classification problems. There are more what exactly? Classification problems actually. Keep in mind that decision tree is a supervised learning technique. Decision tree is what exactly? Supervised learning technique. It can be used for both classification and regression. Important, interesting actually. Decision tree algorithm, you can apply, you can solve regression problem, you can solve classification problem. One more time, can you repeat again? By using decision tree, by using what exactly? Decision tree, you can solve regression problem, you can solve classification problem, but mostly in real time, we are using for solving classification problem. Sir, for solving what problem, sir? Classification problem. Hold on. My voice is bouncing. That amplifier, 1 minute. Let me test. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, I hope it is fine actually. Good. Let me tell you. It can be used for both classification and regression, right? But mostly it is preferred for solving what kind of problems, sir? Classification. Simple, sir. What do you mean by classification? In this room, different classes, five or four, 5 fans would you have? This is the one class actually. Count the chairs, that is another class. Count the table, that is another class. Count the chairs, that is another class. Count male category, count female category. These are all different classes. These are all what exactly? Different classes. Something like a categorization, classification, separation. These are all things actually. In this real world, there are more classification problem. There are more what exactly? Classification problem. In decision tree, it is called as a decision tree because similar to a tree structure. I will show the example. Once we done this example, you guys need to walk through the Kaggle to look into the more example actually. We are going to draw the diagram. The diagram looks like a tree structure. The diagram looks like what exactly, sir? Tree structure. And let me tell you, the steps are very common. Even though it is a simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, logistic regression, multi-class classification, decision tree, random forest, KNN actually. These are all algorithms will follow exactly 7 steps actually. Can I hear from you? What are the steps? Importing libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, blah, blah, blah. Very good. I hope you know actually. Please, you should stick with those steps actually. Those steps never ever change actually. Keep in mind that. Those steps never ever change actually. Okay. Just you need to understand. Yeah, it is called as a decision tree because similar to a tree structure. This algorithm backend it follows the tree structure, like it starts with the root node and expands to the further branches and construct a tree structure actually. Can you please hold on? There are two terminologies, sir. First one is what exactly you know? Decision node. What is the first one? One more time. Next one is a leaf node. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me jump into one example. Look at this example, sir. Look at this example. This is something like a normal example. Assuming that we are having the data set. In the given data set, there is a column. That column will be, assuming that I started giving interview. I'm having on an average 14 plus years of experience. Total with genuine experience is 12 years, sir. I hope you understand. I mean to say that I'm having total 14 years of experience. Now, I started giving interview. Once I have given interview, I got an offer letter. I got what exactly? Offer letter. Sir, when you get an offer letter, first point what you will check actually, any idea? Salary component. What is that one? Company address you never check actually. Role you never check actually. First what you will check? Salary. I mean to say that that is the important parameter. That is what exactly? Important parameter. Yeah. Salary. Is it in between $50,000 to $80,000? This is a cross question. This is what exactly? Let me tell you. Decision tree backend, it depends upon the flow control chapter. What chapter, sir? Flow control. I mean to say that in a flow control, I hope you know if else actually, right? Decision, exactly. Decision tree backend, it depends upon the conditional statements. What statements, sir? Conditional statements. Keep in mind that. Now here we are asking a question. Salary, is it in between 50,000 to 80,000 actually? The two, do you think rupees actually? Those days gone, sir. What is that one? Dollars actually. Good. If it is no, what is that one? No. Decline offer means what exactly? Yeah, you can reject. If it is yes actually. One more question. What is the question? This is not my question, sir. My wife question actually. I mean to say that what my wife will ask, hey, his office is near actually to have a lunch at afternoon time. Did you understand? Yeah, keep in mind that office near to the home or not. Again, cross question. For every question, there are two answers actually. Either yes or no. Yes or what exactly? No. Once the answer is no, then we can close this discussion. Can I say this is the root node actually? Talk with me, sir. Yeah, we can say this is the root node. Office, is it near to home? No, then decline the offer. Seriously. If it is not near, you can decline the offer. If it is yes, then again one more question. When I was looking this example, if office is near, you can go by walk actually. You can go by bike, something like that. Provide a cab facility. Yes, then you can accept the offer. No, sir, where are all no is available? What exactly we are doing? We are rejecting. Where are all yes is available? The tree is expanding. That point you need to catch. If the answer is a no, we are breaking. If the answer is yes, actually, still we are expanding. Still we are what exactly? Expanding. I mean to say that this is having the separate name. This is having the separate name. Let me show you that one actually. First of all, did you understand this example? Hold on. Go back and try to understand this example. Good. These are all terminology. It is called as a decision tree because similar to the tree structure, like it is starting with the root node. It is starting with what exactly, sir? Root node and expanding on further branches and constructs a tree like a structure. And it can create a tree structure actually. In a decision tree, there are mainly two nodes, man. First one is called as a decision node. Talk with me. Second one is a leaf node. Yeah, good. Now please observe here. Decision node. Decision node are used to make any decision, make a multiple branches. Keep in mind that When I say decision node, it is having multiple branches. It is having what exactly? Multiple branches. But when I say leaf node are the output of the decision and do not contain any what exactly? Further branches. I mean to say that if I say leaf node, that is the end actually. Something like if is cab is, I mean to say that, hold on, go back to the example. Where are all no is available? Now you talk with me. This is what node actually? Leaf node. It is what node actually? Leaf node. This is what node? Decision node. Decision node, right? Decision node. It is having different terminology also. Hold on. We'll discuss step by step. Decision nodes can be extend. It is having multiple branches. But when I say leaf node, that is the end part stuff. That is what exactly? End part. Furtherly, we cannot expand actually. Now more to the next one. Decision tree backend, it depends upon one algorithm. That algorithm name is called as a COT algorithm. What is that algorithm? COT algorithm, CART. In order to build a tree, we in the sense backend decision tree algorithm using CART algorithm, which stands for, read everyone, classification and regression tree algorithm. Backend, it is using some algorithm. It is depending upon one more algorithm. A decision tree simply ask a question and based on the answer yes or no, it furtherly splits into what exactly, sir? Subtree. Can I say decision tree depending upon the conditional statements? What statement actually? Conditional statement. Now just try to observe here. I would like to say, where it is starting, that is called as a root node. Also, we can call as what exactly? Decision node. It is having another name. What is that name, sir? Root node. Read everyone. Root node. Now, decision node, leaf node. When I say leaf node, actually, no further extension. That is a closed discussion. That is what exactly? Closed discussion. Decision node, yes, no, yes, actually. Again, here also decision node, no, no. Once the leaf node came, then there is no expansion, sir. There is no what exactly? Expansion. Guys, are you getting? These are all terminals you need to understand. There are two terms in decision tree. First one is a, talk with me. Either you can say decision node, also you can say what exactly? Root node. Both are same. Next node is what exactly, sir? Leaf node. Next node is what exactly? Can I say leaf node is the endpoint actually? Can I say decision node is expanding? Am I right or not? Keep in mind that. Decision tree usually mimic human thinking ability. Mimic human thinking ability. Decision tree works like a human thinking actually. It works like our brain. Generally, frankly speaking, every day, exactly 5:30, right? At what time session will start? 5:30. At 5, you will get a question. What is the question? Can I go to the session or not? Am I right or not, sir? If you wanted to say yes, actually, you can go to the session. No means open Prime actually, Prime videos, and you can enjoy one movie actually. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, good. Am I right or not? Yeah, let's move on. Decision tree usually mimic human thinking ability while making a decision. So it is easy to understand. It is what exactly, sir? Easy to understand. The logic behind the decision tree can be easily understood because it is a tree like a structure actually. These are all terminologies you need to focus. These are all terminology you need to focus. Simple. The first one is root node. Read everyone. Root node. Second one is a leaf node. Next one, splitting. Next one, branch or subtree. Next one is what exactly? Pruning. Pruning actually. Next one is parent or child node. Hold on. Root node from where the decision tree starts actually. Decision tree will algorithm, there is a starting point. That starting point is also called as a root node. Starting point is also called as what exactly, sir? Root node. We already know. It represents the entire data set, which furtherly divided into the two or more homogeneous sets actually. Let me show you the data set, you will understand. Next one is what exactly? Leaf node. I hope you understand. Leaf node are the final output node. Leaf node are what exactly? Final output node. That the tree cannot be segregated further after getting the leaf node actually. I mean to say that the tree cannot be segregated. I mean to say that once you are getting the leaf node, from there is no expansion. From there, what exactly? There is no expansion actually, extension. The next one is the splitting. I hope you know. Splitting is the process of dividing the decision node or root node into the sub nodes according to what exactly? Given condition. Come on, talk with me. First one is a root node. Next one, leaf node. Next one, splitting. I mean to say that it is splitting based on the condition. Branch node, a tree formed by the splitting tree actually. Sir, second one is read everyone. Pruning. Generally what happen, in a villages actually, not only even villages, let us take a tree. There is a one branch. That branch automatically, I don't know how to say in English actually. And independent on the actually. Assuming that there was a branch, that branch got rotten actually. I mean to say that, what I need to say, sir. I'm not that much good in English actually. Keep in mind that. But anyway, assuming that there is a tree, for that tree there is a branch actually, which we are not using. Which we are not using. Otherwise, it is disturbing the travel actually. Over the road, I hope there is a tree. Over the road, the branch is moving on actually. Then people will come and what they will do? They can cut that branch actually. Here, cutting the branch is called as a pruning. Cutting the branch is called as what exactly? Pruning actually. Keep in mind that. Pruning is the process of removing the unwanted branches from what exactly? Tree actually. Next one, parent and a child node. Next one is what exactly, sir? Parent node and child node. The root node of the tree is called as a parent node, and other nodes are called as what exactly? Child node. This this theory you can understand later. These steps are, you know, example. The example what I have given here actually. Now hold on, let me just try to explain this problem statement. Understand this one. Then next one. Let's move on. I'm going to show you the data set. The data set having company, job, degree, salary more than 100K. Salary more than what exactly? 100K actually. I will not explain actually. Just try to spend some time. 1 or 2 minutes actually. Everyone please spend some time. Just try to understand the data set. There is a column. Column name is a company. First column name is what exactly? Company. How many unique values? Very good. What are those? Google, ABC Pharma, next one is Facebook. Sir, in real time, generally, rather than understanding the requirement, understand the data set first. Rather than, best example, sir, just to today, I got a one friend actually. Immediately, I cannot tell how he is. First of all, I need to spend with him. When I'm spending with him, I will understand what about his nature. These are all things actually. Same thing like that. Once we are getting the data set, understand the data set thoroughly. Thoroughly. When I say thoroughly, you need to jump into the data set actually. Very good. Total how many unique values? 3 unique values. The two, what type of data? Very good. What type of data? That you need to catch actually. First, we are working in a machine learning. That too, we have what data? Categorical data. What data, sir? Categorical data. Then keep in mind that is categorical data will work out actually. No, we need to convert into numerical data. Yeah, automatically you got 1 point actually. Slowly by slowly you need to understand. The next one, job type. How many unique values, sir? Sales executive 1, business manager 2, computer programmer 3. Next one is computer only 3. Only 3. Am I right? Good. Next one is degree. How many unique values? Degree, bachelor, master, no PhD actually. It is okay. Good. Now conclusion of the story. Generally, getting a salary, I mean, getting salary depending upon, can somebody talk with me? Company. Tell me, sir. Company. Next one is job type. Next one is degree. Not for all companies actually. There are few companies only. Best example, so-called top 10 companies actually, it depends upon some parameter to give the salary. It depends upon some parameter to provide the salary actually. What are the parameters, First one, company matter important. Company name is important. Next one is what exactly? Job. The job roles and responsibility is important. Next one is what exactly? Bachelor. Now I'm going to ask a question. Is salary more than 1 lakh or not? What is the cross question here actually? Is salary more than 1 lakh or not? If it is no, the result is a 0. If it is yes, what is the result? Very good, you understand actually. Good. Now there is a first person. Person number 1 here actually. He is working in Google. Tell me, he is working in Google. Next one, what is the role? Sales. What is the graduation? Bachelor. 0 means? No, sir. No, he is not getting 1 lakh actually. Next one, same company, another person, same company, same sales executive. Next one is what exactly? Master. Then what is the salary? Conclusion of the story, sales executive. irrespective of either graduation or post graduation, doesn't matter actually. They're not getting 1 lakh salary. Keep in mind that one analysis you need to understand. Good. Next one. Google company, business manager, bachelor. Yes, they're getting. Google company, business manager, master, they're getting. What you understand? Irrespective of company, business manager, same designation, either bachelor or master, they're getting what exactly? 1 lakh. Yeah, understanding. Analyze like this actually. I hope you need to walk through like this. Google company, computer programmer, bachelor. Do you think they will get a 1 lakh actually? Initially starting salary, assuming that. Joining package. Google company, computer programmer. What is this one? First of all, do you know bachelor and master actually? Tell me bachelor means. B.Tech. Masters means? Sir, I will scaring. I'm scaring actually. M.Tech or MCA, these are all things, sir. I hope you know actually, right? Is there any MSc is there nowadays? MSc computers. MSc computers is there? I heard recently there was one student I am done MSc computers. Maybe not within Andhra, I guess. Why? Because MSc computers a lot back, a long back it was closed actually, that branch. Because of MSc computers only MCA came. Which came actually? Sir, anyone is studying MCA? How many years, boss? No? 2 years actually. Okay, good. But I have done 3 years actually. I wasted 1 year, sir. Okay. But let me tell you, ABC Pharma, sales executive, master, 0. Yeah, I hope you understand. But let me show you one interest analogy. Sir, these are all you need to paperwork actually. Understand the data set. There is a company name is called as what exactly? Facebook. Business manager, master, 1 lakh. Sales executive, bachelor, 1 lakh. Sales executive, master, 1 lakh. What you understand actually? There is a company, that company never bother about your designation. That company won't care at all about your graduation, your qualification actually. But still, if you get an offer letter, close your eyes and you can tell, yes, I will get 1 lakh sal. Yeah, there are companies are available. There are companies actually. One of my friend, he's giving interview actually, and it was happened in the year of 2016. He's giving interview. During interview, he asked the package, I'm expecting 12 lakhs actually. I'm expecting what exactly? 12 lakhs actually. But company HR told directly, for your experience, by default we are going to provide 16 lakhs package. I mean to say that there are companies, either you want or don't want actually. Sir, how much he is expecting? 12 lakhs. But how much company is giving? Can you ignore actually? Company name is called as a Morgan Stanley. Nice company. Product based company. Morgan Stanley actually. Very good company. Yeah. Now, what is the problem statement? If you understand the data set, now here you need to tell Google company and a sales executive, bachelor, is he getting 1 lakh salary or not? Suddenly, I mean to say that one new employee came, sir. One new employee came and he is telling, I'm working in Google. I'm working in sales executive and my qualification is a bachelor. My qualification is what exactly? Now the model will do prediction either he's going to get a 1 lakh salary or not actually. That's what the problem statement. Did you understand? I mean to say that, can somebody talk with me? How many features? 3 features. What is the first one? Company, job, degree. What is the target variable? Salary. That too you need to remember. These are all categorical data. What data? We need to convert into numerical. Keep in mind that. These are all, just keep in mind that actually. Now let me show you. Now let us just try to start the discussion. First company. Yeah, how many unique companies would you have? 3. Google, Facebook, ABC Pharma. Google, Facebook, what exactly? ABC Pharma. Google related. Sir, can I say one thing? What exactly happened from this data set? Anyone can talk actually? Come again? Classification. In Panda statement, can somebody take? Come again? Group by, exactly. Keep in mind that. I mean to say that if you are having this kind of data set, can I apply group by based on company? Can I apply group by based on what exactly, sir? Company? Yes, we can apply. Don't ask what is group by. Please. Google company, Facebook, ABC Pharma. Facebook. Sir, can I say this is a leaf node actually? There is no extension from here actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Google company, still cross question. What do you mean by cross question? Just try to come here. Google company, business manager, all business managers, either they are bachelor or masters, they are getting 1 lakh salary, sir. Next one, computer programmer, still there is a cross question. Computer programmer bachelors, no, they are not getting. Computer programmer masters, yes, they are getting. That's what cross question. Sales executive, sir, no. Can somebody tell me, uh, this is called as a what exactly? Leaf node. What is that one? Any expansion is here actually? No, but here there is an expansion. Can somebody tell me this node is called as what exactly? I hope you understand, sir. You connected actually. Good. Now let's move to the next diagram. Yeah, like this you need to understand. Now let me tell you. Company, Google, business manager. Yes means? Yes means 1 lakh salary. Yes means what exactly? 1 lakh salary. Company, Google, sales executive. No means? No, not. Company, Google, computer programmer. Again expanded actually. Bachelors. Tell me? No. Next one is masters. Means? Yes, actually. I hope you understand. Are you with me? Let us start the discussion. Get ready. Let me just try to execute the example. Decision tree, algorithm, print off. What is the step number one, sir? Step number one, importing libraries. Let me just try to show you that. Demo1.py. Go to the desktop and create a programs, and inside of that one, let us just try to save this. You guys kindly please come here. Importing panda, import pandas as a PD. Yeah. Step number two, loading the dataset. Step number two is what exactly? Loading the dataset. Still, I can do copy paste, but why I'm writing these are all steps, for your better understanding. Loading the dataset. I have one point actually. We are calling a function assigning to the variable. Nice. Yeah, good. What is output? Yeah. Decision tree, decision tree. All right. Decision tree algorithm. Importing libraries, loading the dataset. Importing libraries and loading what exactly? Dataset. Now we need to do EDA over this dataset. What we need to do, sir? EDA. Get ready. Get ready. First of all, get this dataset. Very good. Get this dataset. You can just try to add here actually. It is dancing like anything, sir. We'll do one thing. Let me take a snapshot. Online team, I hope you're understanding, sir. Let me take a snapshot. This snapshot will be, let me tell one, go to the desktop and let me create a images folder. What folder? Images. Let me save inside of that one. Good. All right. Let me just try to rerun one more time. Yep. Move to the next discussion. Preparing input and target actually. Simple. What exactly we are doing? From the input actually, I mean, from the data frame, we are dropping a column. What is that column name? Salary more than 100K. There is a column. The column name is called as a, this is the column name value, sir. Can we drop? Yes, happily we can drop. Let me ask a question. Drop. Is it function or method? Method. How can you say? We are calling by using object. Very good. Now access equals to columns. Target equals to, let us capture the single column. Let us capture what exactly? Single column. Come on, let's do this one actually. Can I say we are doing the data preparation? Am I right or not, sir? Data preparation means X and Y. Now take this one. You can run this. How to select a decision node from the data frame? Sir, there are few techniques actually, like a Guinea impurity, Guinea index actually. Hold on, I will cover. There are few techniques. I will tell you. Hold on. Now, can somebody talk with me? Importing libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, X comma Y actually. Now, yes, you can print. These are all stuff actually. Input we are printing, and next one is what exactly? Target we are printing. Get ready, sir. Input. First of all what exactly we do have? Categorical data. What data? Categorical data. Now, move to the next one. Transforming the input. We are trying to transforming the input into a kind of what exactly, we are applying label encoder. What topic actually? Label encoder. Now, just try to say, I hope you know actually. Can I ask a question? Class. What is this line? Object creation. What is this line? Calling the method. And that we are providing this one. Simple. Can somebody talk with me here? Inputs means already data frame. For this data frame, we are adding a column. What is a column actually? Company underscore n. I mean to say that for company, the numerical value we are adding. Then there is a company column actually. For this one we are doing. Let's just try to do this one very quickly. Step number 3A, I would like to say we are applying EDA. We are applying what exactly, sir? EDA. Come on. I will do one thing. I would like to create here is an object actually, so that you will get a very clear picture. We are creating an object. Now, please talk with me. Inputs of company underscore n. Come and tell me, sir. Inputs. For this one, we are adding a column. We are adding what exactly? Column. That to take object. Then we need to call a method. What is that method actually? Tell me, sir. Fit underscore transform of. Let us just try to copy paste. We are calling a method. Exactly. Right. All right. Let me just try to print this one. Good. Previously also, let me try to print this one also, sir. Kindly please hold on. Now, check the output. Yeah, did you understand? This is the input actually. But for this one, what exactly happened for company? We are adding a column. What is that column name actually? Company underscore n. Anyone having any idea how this one is got as a 0 value? How Google having 2 value? Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, ABC Pharma. ABC Pharma company 0. Facebook, according to the alphabetical order 1. Google is what exactly? 2. Here onwards, if I say 0, means what exactly? Yeah, keep in mind that machine learning will understand 0 rather than ABC Pharma. Machine learning or ML algorithm will understand 2 numerical value rather than what exactly? Now here onwards, if you wanted to talk with the ML algorithm, like a Google company, hey, ML algorithm, how is the 2 actually? If I say 2, what exactly? Google company. Same thing like that. Can we do for job and can we do for degree? Am I right or not, sir? Good, let's do that one very quickly. I hope you understand the next step. Same thing like that for job also we are doing, and we are doing this one actually. Can I replicate this line? Let me just try to replicate the same line, and I hope I need your help actually. Here what I need to do? Job, job. I have a one question. I have a one question. If I am deleting here, what exactly happened? Any idea? Very good. I mean to say that, sir, though we are giving underscore n, that's what new column is coming. If you are giving directly company like this here, actually, what exactly happened? Old value will be replaced with this value. Understand that point very clearly. I hope you understand, right? Yeah. These are all we done. Where we done actually? Can I say these are all pandas discussion? Correct. Yeah. Just had to say slowly by slowly. Now, finally, we are going to apply and where exactly? Tell me, sir. Degree. Come on, come on. Let us just try to apply. Take this one. degree, degree underscore n. Now this one is what exactly? Degree. I hope the column name is degree only, right? Yeah, good. Or else qualification. Now finally you understand very clearly, sir. Let us take this snapshot. Later it will be helpful for us. Let us take this snapshot. Control S 2. Go for the snapshots, what all we created actually. Sir, can I say initially this is the data set? Initially this is what exactly? Data set. During client is explaining, first one, this is the data set. Yeah, I'm sorry. First one, this is the data set only. First of all, during client is explaining the requirement actually, whenever you're looking at the data set, in your brain, you have to automatically do, okay, you have to capture categorical data. Definitely, kind of some numerical data conversion is required. That is the first point. If you're able to understand that one, you're almost very near actually. Now, once you've done, these are all steps actually. This is the final data set. This is what exactly? Final data set. Get ready. I have a one question. Now we need to give this data to the ML algorithm. This data to what exactly? ML algorithm. Now, do you think you can give this column or you can give this column, sir? Column underscore n. Underscore n means company underscore numerical value. What value? Numeric value. Then what about these? What we need to do? That's it. No mercy. You have to drop actually. Are you guys getting? Yeah, good. Let's do that one. So data science means kind of some analysis. You need to spend some time. Yeah, we are dropping here actually. Inputs dot drop off, company name, job, degree, access equals to column. We are simply dropping unnecessary columns. We are simply dropping what exactly, sir? Unnecessary columns. Yeah, we are almost very near. Let me just try to show you that. After dropping inputs n. Oh, we are dropping and we are reassigning to the new variable. We are dropping and we are reassigning to what exactly? New variable. I don't want new variable. What I need to do? Sir, let me bless you. You will get a job actually. Good one. Why? Because nice point. I thought I may not get response actually. Yeah, exactly. Now ML algorithm will understand this data. ML algorithm will understand what exactly? This data actually. Keep in mind that. Now let me have a question actually. Even a data scientist will get a confused. 2 means what exactly? Google. 2 means what exactly, sir? Huh? I need to look into the data set. Go back. Just try to see here actually. Talk with me. What is that one? Sales executive. Sales executive. 0 means what exactly? Bachelor's. Is he going to get actually? No, no means. Now keep in mind that now we are going to creating the model. We are going to train the model. During prediction, what we need to do give we need to provide this kind of value 220 means what is the result actually? Yeah, exactly. 220 means what exactly? No. Conclusion of this story. Once we train the model, ultimately we need to do the prediction. We need to do what exactly? Prediction. To do the prediction, we need to provide a kind of some 0 I'm providing. What I'm providing actually? 0. 0 means what is the value? ABC pharma. What is the value? ABC pharma. Next one is 0. Next one is what exactly? 0 actually. 0 means what exactly, sir? Any idea? Kind of some? Come again? Business or bachelor's? Hold on. Let me look into that one. ABC pharma. Sales executive, sir. Yeah, don't scold. Exactly. Business manager only. Why? Because according to the alphabetical order, business. I hope you understand. Instead of providing string value, we are providing what value actually? Numerical value. Did you understand? Good. Let's move to the discussion. If you understand this step, now decision tree class actually. Good. Here, when I say the algorithm name is here. What exactly, sir? Decision tree classifier. One more time. Classifier. uh, Decision tree algorithm. That we can solve two types of problem. First one is a regression problem. Second one is a classification problem. If it is working with the classification problem, then the class name is called as a decision tree classifier. What is the class name? If it is a regression problem, decision tree regressor. What is that one? Decision tree regressor. Let me tell you. Control Z. Decision tree algorithm works with regression and classification. It's okay. First one is the regression. Second one is classification. If it is working with the regression, what is the name of the class? Decision tree regressor. And here is what exactly, sir? Decision tree. Tell me. Decision tree classifier. I hope whenever you're talking about the class name, actually, it follows camel case. It follows what exactly? Camel case. Every word, it should be capital letter. All right, let's move on. Yeah, we are just trying to importing this one. I hope we need to enter into. Are we ready? What is the step number 4, sir? Step number 4 is what exactly? Splitting the data set. Let us make it an optional. I would like to delete this step also, but still make it this one. That is okay. EDA. Why? Because we done, right? Step number 4, splitting the data set. Anyone having any idea why we are not applying actually? Because the data set is a small scale. Data set is what exactly? Small scale actually. Now let's run, delete these are all stuff, man. Delete these are all stuff until you understand. You have to print actually. Once you understand, you have to delete. Get ready. Perfect, man. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, ED also we done. What we done? In EDA, what we done? Tell me, sir. All features we convert, all features are categorical data. All features are what exactly? Categorical data. We converted into numerical data. Very good. That's we done actually. That you need to catch. Then here, to apply, to convert all categorical data into numerical data, we call one class name. What is that class name? Label encoder. What is that class name? We call one method. What is that method? Fit underscore transform. That's it. Splitting the data set. Let us make it an optional. If you wanted to split the data, we need to call a method. My statement is valid or invalid. Yeah, we need to call a function. What is that function name? Nice, nice. Default ratio is what exactly? Nice, man. Good. Move on to the step number 5. Model creation. What is the step number 5? Model creation. Did you understand the pattern? Like steps are very common. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now just try to come here. Uh, you know, model equals to like this. Yeah, model created successfully. I have one question for you. Maybe I'm not sure either this one I told or not actually. Cut this one. Sir, if you want, you can do here also. Technically, this is valid. Python is allowing actually. But in real time, we should not do like that. Import statement always having a top is a good practice. But sometimes suddenly, if you're looking at this one, don't get a surprise. This is still valid actually. Before using, just you're importing valid but not recommended. Valid what exactly? But not recommended. Save this example. If you want, you can run this one. If you want, you can run this one actually. Did you understand? Good. But this is not recommended, sir. Always importing statement should be at the top actually. Control Z, Control Z. Yeah, run this. Take the code. I have one question. Get ready. Who will tell? Sir, I need a quick response. We'll see. Are you ready? Can I ask a question? No question, sir. Mhm. Let me ask a question. Tell me, what is output? Very good. One more time. Module not found error. Last time, package name if you are giving wrong. Package name if you are giving wrong, you will get an error. What is that error name? Module not found error. Not found error. One more error would you have? What error? Very good. You can remember like that. File not found error, module not found error. That's it. These are all very common errors in the real time. Very common. You do some small mistake actually, you will get this error. To fix this error, just to close your eyes, you can tell directly, sir, you are importing something like a wrong module. You are importing something like what exactly? Fix that module name. Then this error, it will be fixed automatically. This error, it will be fixed automatically. That's what you need to understand. Take this one. I hope you know. Yeah. See, here I have given a nice theory. What is the theory, you know? Decision tree classifier is a predefined class in sklearn tree package. We need to import this class from the sklearn tree package. Once we import it, then we need to create an object to what exactly? This one. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Nice documentation. Next one. What is the next step actually? Tell me. Training. To train, what is the method name? Sir, let me tell you, when I was learning first time machine learning from my client actually, based on the project requirement, I learned the machine learning from my client actually. When I say the method name is the common for linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, not only decision tree, for all algorithm for training purpose, method name is only one method. What is that method name? Fit. I really feel very nice actually. Why? Because you know they followed really nice standards. They literally followed nice standard. For each algorithm, separate method means yesterday curry I didn't remember, sir. How you can remember all these methods actually? Am I right or not, sir? I mean that get considered actually. Maybe let me not give difficulty to remember these are all things. Common X train and Y train. No splitting actually here. Then what we need to do, you know, call this one inputs. Next one is what exactly? Target. Very good. Model training. Step number, what exactly, sir? Step number 6. Model training. Get ready. Get ready. Model dot fit method. What method? Fit method. Here, what we need to provide, you know, inputs underscore n dot values. Any idea what exactly we are doing? First of all, what is that value? Data frame. What is that value? Data frame. Converting into arrays. Yeah, good, sir. Like a column format. Next one is what exactly? Target actually. Now let us just have to give the data. Did I fix it that package? No, pandas. Yeah, nice man. What is the next step actually? For my satisfaction, can you please read all these steps? Importing libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, EDA, splitting the data set, model creation, model training. Will you forget in your lifetime? Oh, please. Yeah. Now the next one is prediction. Next one is what exactly, sir? You can check the score also. Sir, the algorithm trained very well. It is giving the 100% score. How much is score actually? 100% score means for everything it will give the right value. For everything it will give the right value actually. Let's do the prediction. Now you talk with me. Predict method we are calling. What method we are calling? Predict method. Here 2 means what exactly? Any idea? Hold on. Don't worry. Sir, I have a small brain actually. Okay, please don't make me too confused. We have that's what. Did you understand why I have taken this backup actually? Sorry for getting. Come on. Here, what we are providing? 2. Yeah, 2 means what is the value actually? Google. Very good. Nice actually. The next one is what exactly? 1. 1 means what is the result actually? Talk with me. Computer programmer. What is that one? Computer. Am I right or not? That's what. That's what I have taken the snapshot. Next one is what exactly? 0. 0 means what exactly, sir? Talk with me. bachelors. Conclusion of the story, what exactly we are trying, 210. Where is the pattern? 210. Exactly this one we are checking. Google company, computer programmer, bachelor. Will he get 1 lakh salary? No. Then the answer should be what exactly? 0. Just try to see. We got the 0 as a result. We got what exactly, sir? 0 as a result. Like this actually. I mean to say that suddenly one new employee, suddenly, best example, let me tell you where this algorithm will helpful for you know. Assuming that you started a company name is ABC company. What is the company name, sir? ABC company. That too service based company. What company? Service based company. Initially, you started with on an average 10 employees. How many employees, sir? 10 employees. Though initially 10 employees, it is okay. You can handle if any employee, okay, hold on. Initially, we have taken 10 employees actually. When I say service based company, you know about the service based company? We need to take the employee and we need to deploy in a Google company. We can deploy in a ABC company, ABC pharma company actually. Now let us just try to make it. This one is what exactly, sir? DEF. Company name is a DEF actually. ABC pharma. Next company name is what exactly? Facebook. Generally, let me talk about TCS company. What TCS company will do, TCS company having the clients. Client will provide the salary. Then TCS company will take the employee from the market. Will take the employees from what exactly? Market. Then TCS company will deploy the employees into different companies actually. Did you understand? That is a pattern. That's why TCS company name is called as what exactly? Service based company. What company? Yeah, you should understand. I mean to say that when I say service based company, internally that company don't have a projects, but internally that company having the friendship with other companies actually, that companies will provide the projects. When I say the project, internal project and external project, talk with me. Internal project and what is exactly external project. Now initially 10 employees actually, and employees are joining with assuming the TCS company. HR is telling there is a one employee came actually. We are planning to deploying in Google company, and he is from bachelor. He is from what exactly? Bachelor. His designation is a computer programmer. His designation is what exactly? Now definitely to predict the salary, our algorithm will helpful actually. Did you understand? That imagination is required. Team, I'm repeating one more time. Assuming that TCS company initially started with 10 employees only. Initially started with what exactly? 10 employees only. Then though it is initially 10 employees, we can do automatically with finger, either he's getting or not actually. But assuming that on daily base, employees are increased automatically. Then by this time, even HR will get a confused which company, which qualification. The next one is what is the designation. Then during that time, this algorithm literally helps actually. Either can we give more than 1 lakh salary or not actually. Tim, are you getting? Hope you understand. Let me talk about, TCS, Infosys, Accenture, Capgemini, Deloitte is product based company, sir. So-called top Wipro, including Wipro company. Wipro company. Sir, first of all, these are all companies are called as a service-based companies. What company? Service-based companies actually. Service-based company. What do you mean by service-based company? First of all, this company will recruit employees. Assuming that this company recruited Daniel, this company, TCS company, taken what exactly? Daniel as an employee. As what exactly? Employee actually. Then TCS company is planning to give on an average 90K salary. On an average, what exactly? 90K salary. Then TCS company, first to 10 days. First, what exactly, sir? 10 days. Joining formalities. What formalities? Joining formalities. You can't believe no work first to 10 days. Here and there, you can run roam actually. Near any shopping mall is available. You can visit. You can, frankly speaking, whenever you are joining for any company, especially IT company actually, first of all they will give high respect, sir. I will tell you why they will give high respect actually. Then after 10 days, 10 days is done, joining formality is also done. Suddenly I got a call from TCS HR. What company actually? TCS HR. Now TCS HR is telling, we have a client. We have what exactly? Client. The client name is called as a Cerner company. What company? Cerner company. They are having the requirement. They are having what exactly? They are having requirement. We are planning to deploy you in Cerner company. In which company actually? Did you understand? We are planning to send you into Cerner. That send word we need to call as a deploy. What is that one, sir? Deploy. Now let me tell you. Daniel, can somebody talk with me? What is my permanent company, sir? What is my permanent company? Permanent company is what exactly? TCS. Why? Because TCS recruited me. Good. What? Daniel. Let us take a Daniel. What is my temporary company? Very good. I hope you understand actually. Temporary company. This is also called as a client. This is also called as what exactly? Client to Daniel. Can somebody talk with me? What is that company actually? Cerner company. What company? Now you should let me tell you. One of my friend cross question. You should not cross question. No, I will not go to the Cerner. You should not cross question actually. But you can, if you are having any problem, you can tell directly. I'm not interested. Then HR never force you. HR will tell, okay, wait for one more 10 days actually. We will search for another client. We will search for what exactly? Another client. But you should not cross question one point actually. What is the point? How much money Cerner is giving to you? You should not cross question actually. But let me tell you, sir, Cerner on an average, how much TCS is paying for me? 95. Two times minimum it will pay, sir. 180K it will pay actually. Minimum two times. Minimum two times actually. Did you understand? That TCS HR will tell there is a contract position. In Cerner company, you need to work minimum 2 years, minimum 1 year, minimum 1.5 year, something like that actually. There is no bond actually. It will tell something like this. Did you understand? This is the process. Sorry, every company will follow the same process. Every company will follow what exactly? Same process actually. Now talk with me. What is my permanent company? TCS. What is my temporary company? Now, based on this situation, let me tell you. Good. Keep in mind that I joined in Cerner. I joined in what exactly? Cerner. Now, let me tell you. In now, I have two employee IDs. I have what exactly? Two employee IDs, two employee tags actually. What are all those? Can somebody talk with me? First one is a TCS. Next one is what exactly? Cerner. I hope you understand. Though I am permanent role of TCS company, TCS employee mail ID I should have. TCS mail ID I should have. Though I am contract position to what exactly? Cerner company. Cerner is a company which is one of the top based company actually, product based company. From Cerner company also will get a mail ID. Cerner company also will get what exactly? Mail ID actually. Guys, are you getting? Good. Now let me tell you. I joined, sir. I joined almost HR told. HR told. 2 years contract, Daniel. How many years contract actually? 2 years contract. Assuming that January 1st I joined actually. 2023. Jan 1st. Jan 1st I joined. Then today what is the date actually? Talk with me. Sir, tell me, sir. April 1st. April 3rd actually. Then suddenly I thought like it's a right time I need to change the company. It's a right time I need to change what exactly? Company. Sir, first off, let me tell you, if you are in IT, you are having independent nature. There is no dependency actually. Whenever you are getting a thought, I wanted to change the company, what we need to do, you no need to call to the HR, you no need to tell, I wanted to change the company. You no need to tell to anyone. Take a profile, prepare a resume, upload in Naukri website actually, then start giving interview. Start giving what exactly? Interview. Started giving interviews also. Started giving what exactly? Interviews. Once I started giving interview, suddenly I got a call from Infosys. I got a call from what exactly? Infosys, and I selected actually. And I selected to whom? Tim, did you understand all this flow actually? Did you understand or not? Now I have a question. What is my permanent company? Sir, don't get a confused. Follow the please follow the session nicely actually. What is my permanent company? TCS. What is my temporary company? Cerner. Which company I have selected actually? Important interview question. Once you selected for Infosys company, now we need to what exactly? Submit TCS company documents only. Did you understand or not? I mean to say that What is your permanent company? Your permanent company is what exactly? TCS. Then TCS documents only we need to submit. Cerner documents, first of all, you no need to submit not even single paper. You no need to submit not even what exactly? Single paper actually. Did you understand? Why I explained these are all Hadavadi, let me tell you. Let me tell you. Who are all planning to adding an experience? Adding an what exactly? Experience. What you need to do, go to consultancy. Go to what exactly, sir? Consultancy. Consultancy. Then assuming that the consultancy will provide the one company actually. Consultancy will provide what exactly? Assuming that company name is ABC company. What company? ABC company. Now, ABC is your permanent company. ABC is what exactly? Your permanent company. Permanent company. Then you started giving interview. You started giving what exactly? Interview. During interview, you can tell, I am working in Wipro. I am working in where exactly? Wipro. You can tell. Why? Because you can tell I'm working in Wipro as a contract to hire actually. Like you're from TCS company. You're from what exactly? Where exactly? TCS company. In Cerner, how you're working actually? Contract actually. Same thing like that. From consultancy, you need to get one company name. Start giving interview. Here onwards, you can tell I'm working in Wipro company as a contract actually. Assuming that you started giving interview, then you have selected for Capgemini company. What company actually? Capgemini company. Now I have a question. Which company documents I need to submit? Excellent. I hope you understand. Exactly you understand actually. Did you understand? Sir, frankly speaking, this flow no one never explain actually. You have to digest. This flow one more time I will explain. That's what whenever you are going for any consultancy, take the consultancy name. Here onwards, in your resume, you can add, I'm working in TCS. I'm working in Infosys. I'm working in Capgemini. I'm working in Wipro actually. Even there is a reason why you need to tell you're working in Wipro. Sir, if you tell you're working in Wipro, HR will immediately think like, you're intelligent actually. I'm sorry for saying. Did you understand? That's what. That is the added advantage. You can tell Wipro, even though you selected actually, you no need to submit any document from the Wipro company. You no need to select any document from what exactly? Wipro company. This point I'm sure who are all having gap actually, you will understand. This point who are all fresher actually, I know very well, you may not understand actually. Guys, are you with me? But the same process I will cover one more time. But why I explain these are all stuff, you should know. What is your permanent company? What is your client company? You should know actually. You should know. Guys, are you getting? Good. Let me continue the discussion. Simple, very simple, sir. So try from your friends. You can definitely get it out actually. Try from your network. Your internet connection is unstable. Seriously. Is my voice is clear online team? Seems to be I'm having some internet fluctuations. Can I get a response online team? Okay, let's move on. Sir, seems to be we are not done prediction. Let's do the prediction actually. Seven prediction. Yeah. Zero. We should get it out actually. Yes, exactly. Zero. We should get it out. Now next one is, can somebody talk with me? How many values you are providing here? Three values. Can I take these from runtime? You can take. I hope you can implement that example. Three values we need to take in runtime. How many values we can take? That too, you can apply validation also. First value, can I give as a 9 actually? No, that you can apply validation. If somebody is entering 9 actually, you need to tell, no, you should enter in between either 0 or 1 or 2. That validation also you can apply actually. Okay. If you want, we can extend this example. Kindly please work on that. Yeah, that's it, man. I hope you understand the decision tree. Hold on. Now, immediately, let me start immediately another algorithm. You can easy to understand. Go back, go back. After decision tree, where is random forest? Random forest. After decision tree, immediately you need to understand another algorithm. This algorithm name is called as a random forest. What is that algorithm? Sir, important. Very, very important. Please focus on this. It is very easy. Random forest is another algorithm. Random forest is a supervised learning technique. Random forest is what exactly? Supervised learning. Tell me, everyone, it is what exactly? Supervised learning technique. It can be used for both classification and regression. Again, the same story, like a decision tree only. This you can apply to solve regression problem, to solve classification problem. But mostly, the random forest is a concept of ensemble learning. What is the topic name? Important. First of all, random forest is an algorithm. Random forest algorithm. This topic depend upon back end one topic actually. The topic name is called as a ensemble learning. What is the topic name? Ensemble learning. Let me tell you one point actually. When I say random forest algorithm, sir, keep in mind that inside random forest algorithm, group of decision trees are available. Group of decision tree algorithms are available. Decision tree algorithms are available. I'm repeating again. Random forest means don't think something like a different. Random forest means group of decision trees. Group of what exactly? Decision tree. I will tell you the reason why it is having group of decision tree actually. Let us have a small normal example, sir. Let us have a small normal example. Understand this one. Normal example. Sir, when I done my 10th class, when I done my what exactly? 10th class. Generally, after 10th class, what is the next one? To promote to 12th actually. 12 plus standard or else something like intermediate. What exactly, sir? Intermediate. Then I don't have any, I mean to say that my brother is, I mean, what exactly during that time, when I done my 10th class actually, I got a result. Exactly, I was playing the cricket actually in a field. There was one person name is a Suri Narayana. He's my senior. He's a seriously awesome guy. Suri Narayana. Then I told him, Anna, I have done my 10th class. I have done my what exactly? 10th class actually. Do let me know what branch I can take. Intermediate means what exactly, sir? Can I say intermediate means what all branches would you have talked with me? Those days MPC, next one is BIPC, next one is CEC, next one is MEC, next one is enough. Enough, sir. Good. I just taken one suggestion. What is the suggestion? I asked a question. Which course I can do? Which which branch I can join? Which branch I can join actually? Then can Surinarana suggest immediately? No. First he will ask one thing. What he will ask? Any idea? Show me your progress card. Show me what exactly? I mean to say 10th class marks. Kindly please tell me the narration actually. Then I showed my 10th class marks. Then what he suggested, go for MPC. Go for what exactly? MPC. Any idea why he suggested MPC? Maybe in my 10th class marks actually, he noticed that I am having a good score in math actually. I'm having good score in physics. I'm having a good score in what exactly? Something like a chemistry. Based on that, based on that, he's suggesting what exactly? MPC. Conclusion of the story. Then I have joined, sir. Then I have what exactly? Joined actually. Can I ask a question? Here, I have joined into MPC. Can I say based on only single decision? I'm repeating again. Only one person suggestion I'm taking. Only what exactly? One person suggestion I'm taking. This is the case number one. This is what exactly, sir? Case number one. In case number one, what exactly happened? I don't have any other friends. I know only one person. That person name is a Surnarana. I just reached him and I am asking, Anna, I have done my 10th class actually. Can you please suggest me which branch I need to join? Then he have taken my mark list actually. He went to inside of the room. He done some analysis actually, right? Then he came out and he is telling, go for MPC. Then I joined actually. This is case number one. Go for case number two. Go for what exactly? Case number two. Case number two. Sir, here I have not only Suryanarayana, the first person name is a Suryanarayana, Next one is Nani. Next one is what exactly? Nani. Third one is Johnny. What is the third one? Johnny. Fourth one is something like a, tell me, sir, any name? John C. John C. ma'am, actually. John C. ma'am. Any John C is available here? No, right? Good. Now, I just asked one question. What is my question, sir? Talk with me. You guys look at me like this, and which river I can jump actually. You are thinking like that actually. Are you guys kidding? Yeah, good. Let me tell you very clearly. I'm asking a question, which branch I can join? Which branch I can join? Then Suryanarayana suggested go for MPC. Suryanarayana suggested what exactly? Go for MPC. Nani he suggested without seeing my marks actually go for a CAC. Go for what exactly? CAC. Why? Because I was a lazy guy. Maybe he thought like I don't have a good score in MPC actually, something like that. Then Johnny he suggested go for MPC. John C. Ma'am also he suggested for MPC. Then do let me know which group I joined actually. I joined for MPC. Sir, conclusion of the story. Second scenario is called as a random forest. Second scenario is called as what exactly? Random forest. This technique is also called as a ensemble technique. What technique actually? Ensemble technique. I mean to say that to take the decision depend upon the multiple decision. To take the decision, we are depending upon what exactly, sir? Multiple decisions. This technique is called as a random forest. This technique is called as what exactly? But the first one is called as any idea? Decision tree. First one is called as what exactly, sir? Decision tree. I hope you understand very clearly, right? What is the time? 6:46. First of all, did you understand the scenario? Good. Let me explain one more time. Yeah. I mean to say that generally, best example, even I'm sure you didn't directly join for the data science. You might have called your brother, cousin brother, can I go for the data science? He suggested go for that one actually. You might have called cousin, cousin brother or sister, 2 to 3 members you called actually. Everyone is telling go for data science. Then indirectly you followed ensemble technique. What technique actually? To take the decision, to take what exactly decision, you applied already lot of decisions actually. Based on that, you are taking the decision. Random forest is the concept of ensemble learning. What do you mean by ensemble learning? It is a process of combining multiple classifiers. It is a process of combining what exactly? Multiple classifiers to solve complex problem and to improve what exactly, sir? Performance of the model. Conclusion of the story. What do you mean by ensemble learning? Combining multiple classifiers, combining multiple decision trees. Then you will get a random forest. You will get what exactly, sir? Are you getting? Simple. It is a very simple. Now just try to see data. Model 1, model 2, model 3, model 4, keep on models and actually. Then backend, one strong, ensemble model, it will be created in the backend. Hold on. Understand this data set. Understand this one diagram. Spend this one. Look at my screen. We do have a data set. We do have what exactly? Data set actually. Good. The data set can be the data set splitting is done. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. These are all things actually. First one, what is the prediction, sir? 1. Second one, 0. Next one, 1. Next one, 1, 1, 0. Next one, 1, 1, 0 actually. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Tell me how many ones would you have? 6 ones, sir. How many zeros? 3. Then do let me know what is the highest prediction actually. Then this is called as a ensemble technique. This is called as what exactly? Ensemble technique. I mean to say that assuming that over the same data set, decision tree, first two decision tree is doing prediction as a 1. Second decision tree doing prediction as a 0. Third decision tree doing prediction as a 1. Like this, how many decision trees actually? 9 decision trees. Means backend you are applying ensemble technique. Ensemble technique belongs to the random forest. What is that one, sir? Random forest actually. I hope you understand. Are you with me? Good. What is the algorithm name? Random forest. Good. One minute. Let me talk with online team. Yeah. Kindly please walk through. Random forest is a classifier that contains number of decision trees. Random forest is a what exactly? Classifier that contains number of decision trees. Sir, simple sir. When I say decision tree, only one condition. I mean to say that only one prediction. Only what exactly? One prediction. We are depending upon a single person to take the decision. But when I say random forest, we are not depending upon single person. Assuming that 10 persons. How many persons? 10 persons. Out of 10%, who is giving more rating? 7 members are telling go for so and so scenario. Then we can go for, automatically the high accurate scenario actually. Then the technique is called as what exactly? Ensemble technique. Also called as a random forest. I'm sure you understand actually. Random forest is a classifier that contains a number of decision trees and various subset of the given dataset. It takes the average of all decision trees. Yeah, good. It takes average of what exactly? All decision trees to improve the predictive accuracy of what exactly, sir? Dataset. Instead of trusting on one decision tree, the random forest takes the prediction from each tree based on the majority of votes actually. I'm sure you understand. The greater number of trees in the forest leads to the highest accuracy. Best example, how many decision trees would you have? That much accuracy will get it out actually. I will show you. If you are going to run random forest algorithm, by default, 40 decision trees will run in the backend actually. How many decision trees? 40 decision trees. I will show you practically. Yeah, you can, I hope you know. Training set, next one is testing set. Just give me 1 minute. Sir, don't miss tomorrow session. Don't miss tomorrow session. What is the tomorrow important topic name is called as, read everyone. K-fold cross validation. One more time. Last time. Sir, without this one, there is no real-time project, first of all. Second one will be, without this one, there is no interview. Without this one, there is no interview actually. Keep in mind that everyone will understand. What do you mean by that actually? Tomorrow the session is so much fun and literally you can feel nice topic actually. I'm sure every day you are feeling the same actually. Am I right or not? If you guys are not looking at me. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah. All right, then. I hope I can continue. Let me continue tomorrow. Random forest, maybe it takes some time, sir. We'll see. It takes minimum 1 hour time. And remaining 30 minutes, let me start careful cross validation actually. Remaining 30 minutes, let me start what exactly? Careful cross validation. All right, we're done for today's session. Let me upload the running notes and these are all stuff actually. Yeah. Please remind me, sir. Data set, these are all things. If you're looking for more example, which one is the point of contact actually? Kaggle is the best place, sir. Please don't believe any other websites. Only Kaggle. What we done today? Decision tree we done, I guess. Come on. Let me upload running notes. Let me upload running notes. 5:30 batch. data set also, right? Salaries data set. Oh, sorry. Sir, extract this one and give a path actually. You need to extract. Previously, one student copy pasted this zip file actually. He's running the program. Please, you should know by this time what to do. That's it. Let me just try to upload random forest also very quickly. Random forest I will upload tomorrow, sir. All right. Thank you. We done for today's session. Thank you so much. Yesterday data set. Boss, Divya. Yesterday data set is the by default one, which is a public data set, which is available in the sklearn actually. Did you understand, Divya? Yesterday data set by default it is available in the package. All right, let me close the discussion.